if you try to stop some thought in your mind, that particular thought will happen more and more and more. You can try that again if you want. Simply close your eyes and try to stop some thought that you feel is negative. Let's do an experiment right now. Chalo, let's have a small experiment right now. All of us. If you feel that you're troubled, by some thought, by some so-called negative thought, let's do a small experiment right now. Simply sit straight in a comfortable posture wherever you are. Keep yourself relaxed. Make sure you're completely relaxed. And keep your eyes closed. So have your eyes closed here. I'll also do it with you. Now what you guys do is, whatever thought is bothering you, whichever kind of thought you feel is negative according to you, try to stop that. Try to stop that particular thought in your mind because you feel it's negative. So if you try to avoid that thought that you feel is negative, if you try to stop that thought that you feel is negative, that particular thought will happen more and more in your mind. Can you guys notice this right now? Do you guys experience this right now? If you try to stop that thought, if you try to block that thought, that particular thought is happening more. The best part is, the only thing that we have to do is, we have to use our thought process consciously and ignoring our unconscious thought process. That's all we have to do. So basically, you simply have to look at it like this: that data, that memory, you have to use it by choice. So you use your thinking process consciously. Then of course, when you create your thinking process consciously, when you use your mind consciously, you will want it, you will do it the best way possible, and you will do it the way you want it. When it's happening unconsciously, when those random thoughts and emotions are happening unconsciously, you simply have to know and look at it like data. Take the power away. Simply take the power away from the unconscious thinking process. Now let there be any kind of thought. Let there be any kind of thought, it will not bother you. If you are so much identified with your thoughts, you feel that's a reality, then it kind of bothers you. When you know thought is not a reality, no thought is a reality. A thought is just accumulated information, accumulated data. If you begin to see your thoughts like that, if you begin to see any kind of thought and emotion or feeling in your mind like that, you see, you will use it the way you want it. Like you get control over your thinking process.